Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically post Twitter, now known as X, and update directly to your Discord server. To link your X feed to Discord, you need to follow the simple steps. First, open your Discord, log into your account, then tap on the user settings from the bottom of the screen. Once you're in this page, go to connections, that is in the user settings menu between the devices and clips option. Go ahead and tap on that. Here, you'll see the list of accounts that you can link to your Discord profile. If you don't see the X in the list, click on View More to reveal additional apps. And once you find the X or the Twitter option, go ahead and click on it. And this will authorize the connection using an API linking to your X account to Discord. Simply sign into your X account using your Google account, Apple ID, phone number, email, or username. Then tap on Authorize App. And after you sign in, your automatic Twitter feeds will be connected to your Discord. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.